The Hen and the Crow, A Tale of Friendship. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there lived a cheerful hen named Henny. Henny was known far and wide for her beautiful feathers that shimmered in the sunlight, and for her melodious morning songs that woke up the entire village. Nearby, in the dense forest that bordered the village, dwelled a clever crow named Charlie. Charlie was admired for his intelligence and quick wit, but he often felt lonely, for the other birds in the forest were wary of him because of his black feathers. One sunny morning, as Henny strutted around the village square, pecking at the ground and chirping merrily, she noticed Charlie perched on a branch nearby, looking down sadly. Curious, Henny fluttered over to Charlie and greeted him warmly. "Hello, Charlie. What brings you to our village today?" Charlie looked up, surprised by Henny's kindness. "Oh, hello, Henny. I was just passing by. I often come here to watch the villagers and listen to your beautiful songs." Henny smiled, fluffing her feathers proudly. "Why don't you join me, Charlie? We could explore the village together and maybe even find some tasty treats." Charlie hesitated, unsure if he belonged in the village with the other birds. But seeing Henny's genuine invitation, he decided to take a chance and accompany her. As they wandered through the village, Henny introduced Charlie to her friends, the chatty sparrows, the playful robins, and the wise old owl who lived in the ancient oak tree. At first, Charlie felt out of place among the colorful village birds, but as they laughed and played together, he realized that friendship didn't depend on feathers or appearances. Days turned into weeks, and Henny and Charlie's friendship blossomed. They spent their days exploring the village, sharing stories, and helping each other overcome obstacles. One day, as they were walking by the village pond, they noticed a group of ducklings stranded on a small island in the middle of the water, crying out for help. Without hesitation, Henny and Charlie sprang into action. Henny used her strong wings to ferry the ducklings safely back to shore, while Charlie flew back and forth, gathering twigs and leaves to build a bridge for them. When the rescue was complete, the grateful ducklings thanked Henny and Charlie profusely, and the villagers cheered for their bravery and teamwork. From that day on, Henny and Charlie were hailed as heroes in the village, and their friendship became an inspiration to all who knew them. As the sun set behind the hills, casting a warm glow over the village, Henny and Charlie sat side by side, watching the stars twinkle in the night sky. "I never imagined I could have a friend like you, Henny," Charlie said, his voice filled with gratitude. Henny nuzzled him affectionately. "And I never knew that friendship could be so rewarding, Charlie. Thank you for showing me that true friendship knows no boundaries." And as they gazed up at the stars, their hearts filled with joy and contentment, they knew that their friendship would last a lifetime, proving that even the most unlikely of friends could find happiness and belonging in each other's company. Moral of the story: true friendship transcends differences and appearances, and it is the kindness and understanding we show towards others that truly matters. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.